Alright, so this is the Zero Germ phone sanitizer thing seen on TV. And see, put your phone there, plug it in the USB, plug your phone in there. That does not come with it, and this thing just fell apart. So here's what it looks like inside. Got a flyback circuit, which powers that bulb right there. That's where your USB comes in. That charges this front board right here. It's board under there, and then there's the flyback board, which will make a nice flyback inverter. Some nice arcs. And then it also connects down here. That's where the USB charger is. It's right in there. And there's the UV bulb. And I don't know if you can see it. I'll try to do this. I'm currently doing a double-handed shoot, so I'll just let that fall. Alright, give me a second. If you look closely, you can see the little filament. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. There you go. Little filament there, and there's one on this side. Right there. And that is just about it. I'm guessing this is like probably 5 volts right here. So, yeah, there isn't much to this thing. A Zero Germ phone charger and sanitizer. Thanks for watching.